This time on building terminology, the anti-ponding board. The anti-ponding board is a rigid sarking support, usually of preformed metal. However, all the ones I've seen have been used or made from fibre cement. They are fixed at the end of the rafters over the fascia and tiling batten, and it prevents the ponding of any water within the sarking, and it helps it discharge into the gutter. So you can see here the anti-ponding board sitting just on the top of the fascia, supported on the first batten, which is your bell cast batten. In this case, I've got it sitting on the second batten. You can then place your sisolation or your sarking over the top and then hold that all down with your tile battens. But what it's doing is it's keeping this sisolation nice and straight and preventing it from bowing and causing a big pond of any moisture that does come down the roof. So it doesn't sit here, it keeps flowing straight through into your gutter and then escaping the building that way.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.